In this video, we're going to add pool decking. Pool decking is like a patio, but automatically cuts out a place for the pool. First, click the Swimming Pool tab, and then click Pool Decking. Left-click to place points, and this will create the shape of your pool deck. Right-click to place the last point. Or you can click Shape Options, Load Shape, and choose from a variety of shapes. Make your selection and then click OK. Click this image to change the pool decking material. There are hundreds of different materials to choose from. Make your selection and then click OK. Use these options to edit the elevation and height. Click here to change the coping material. Make your selection and then click OK. The Add Tile option is automatically selected. Uncheck this box to deselect it, or click the image to change the material. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out ideaspectrum.com for more information about our software.